Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This will get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, commodity prices have gone into reverse as Chinese post-holiday rally stumbles after only a brief shine. It is an ominous sign. But first, in the US, there was a sharp fall in mortgage applications last week, down 5.5% from the prior week. That was because interest rates moved sharply higher after the strong non-farm payrolls report there. Those higher interest rates also showed up in the latest well-supported US Treasury bond auction overnight, this one for their 10-year bond. The median yield came in today at 4.01% and well above the 3.61% at the prior equivalent event a month ago. And US Fed minutes for their September 19th meeting were released earlier this morning, and they show the Fed's 50 basis point rate cut was well supported by the members and seen as a quicker way to align it with progress on their inflation and their labour market. It suggests this was a one-off move at 50 basis points and future moves will be more regular. Remember, the September CPI data for the US will be released tonight, and it is expected to slip from 2.5% to 2.3%. Japanese machine tool orders rose in September from a weak August level, but they remain 6.5% lower than year-ago levels, which it should be noted were unusually high at the time. And Taiwanese inflation fell to near its lowest since the pandemic, down much more than expected to a 1.8% rate. In India, their Reserve Bank also reviewed its policy rate yesterday and left it unchanged at 6.5% as expected. They see their economic expansion continuing and inflation broadly in line with the midpoint of their target rate of 4%. Inflation is currently running at 3.65% there. However, their commentary does open the door for the next move to be down, which will be their first rate cut since May 2020. In China yesterday, the Shanghai stock market lost steam rapidly after the post-holiday euphoria. Was down 6.6% on the day as scepticism grew about what Beijing is doing and not doing to recover China's expansion mojo. It's a telling signal. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at just on 4.07% and up 4 basis points from yesterday. And the price of gold will start today at $2,609 an ounce and down $2 from yesterday. And oil prices are 50 US cents lower at just over $72.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just over $76 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 60.6 US cents and down 60 basis points from this time yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're also down 60 basis points at 90.2 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're down 40 basis points at 55.4 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today now at 68.9 and down 50 basis points from yesterday. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.